If you're an intuitive, empathic woman over 40 and you've just tried so many things but still feel stuck, overwhelmed or disconnected from who you really are, then you've just found somewhere that completely understands your situation. I'm Peter and I've helped sensitive souls like you heal emotional wounds, reset their nervous system and rewrite the stories that have held them back. What I'm talking about here is actually being a human being. Most of us are not experiencing what it should feel like to be a material human being. Most of us are running on a conditioned program that makes us feel stuck, alone, and unable to do anything about it. This channel is all about empowering you to feel lighter, clearer, stronger, and more radiant in your body, mind, and spirit. Here you'll discover how to reprogram limiting beliefs that keep repeating, how to use the law of attraction effectively. Yes, it works when you align properly. How Qigong helps heal trauma stored in the body. And how to reconnect with your essence, your light, your truth, your joy. You'll also learn about the 3 brain modes, the root, fire and flow brain, and how to shift from survival mode into ease and clarity. This is your journey from the root brain to the flow brain. Or put more simply, from feeling stuck to feeling free. Plus, I'll guide you through the 3 energy centers in your body, the danjons, so you can feel grounded, passionate, and spiritually connected again. You may know these as the chakras, which are the sacral, heart, and third eye chakras. No matter how long you've felt stuck, tired, or not quite yourself, I'm here to remind you, you can change. Your self-image is not fixed, your habits are not your destiny, and transformation is absolutely possible. So many of my clients have come unstuck with all the information I'm sharing with you on this channel. So why not you? If you're ready to feel energized, connected and fully alive, hit the subscribe and join this growing community of beautiful, bright beings. Let's create a life you love from the inside out. Or as I like to put it, journey inwards, succeed outwards. I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Till then, be well and keep shining.